In primetime news this evening, counter-offensive against Gregory Park thugs yielding results as several suspected gangsters are arrested. We won't say. Government members refuse to tell if they are being investigated for illicit enrichment. And Trelawney stakeholders take a stand following brutal rape and beating death of 15-year-old.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, I'll have the latest gas prices, of course, because it's Wednesday. And in addition to that, I'll tell you where the country's trade deficit stands.
Thank you, Keys. And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, the Caribbean Premier League, the CPL, is off and away in St. Lucia, where defending champions Jamaica Talwas are facing the St. Lucia Kings. And we have updates and the build-up to the World Athletics Championships, which of course begin this weekend.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you make of reports that social cases are taking up the majority of the bed spaces at some public hospitals?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail after the break.